Hello you guys, how are you guys today? My name is Klismann Medrano, and this is for BIO225 Microbiology, the lab preparation video. So something that I really wanted to discuss about that I enjoyed making a calendar, and I want to show you guys my calendar that I made. I know you guys, everybody has their own different calendar, but this is my calendar. We started class on the 4th. And what I like about it is that we had to put all the assignments from week 1 through week 8 through on top of our calendar, just to kind of be on top of our assignments, for us to be able to be on top of it and actually do them on time. And because of the requirements that some of the organism needs to grow, the bacteria, so we can analyze it. So what I would like to say that I purchased mine on the 5th. I paid a little bit extra to receive my lab pack, which didn't come in. I'm not sure why it didn't come by Friday. They said it would. I paid a little bit more extra to get it on time. So that was kind of a no-go. So by Sunday I wasn't able to even start that part. So something about the weekly discussions, they're due by Thursday, so I put them always on Thursday that they're due, but I kind of tell myself to do them by Wednesday. So on Wednesday I actually say study, and what my study is meaning is do your homework, do your time. That's actually the opportunity I have since I'm working full-time as an LVN, and I have 2 jobs. So time is always limited on my hands, so I kind of have to do stuff in the morning. So yeah, you guys, so what I would do is the weekly discussion is due by Thursday, and I know that we have to answer by 2 periods I do it by Saturday. I think it's a little bit easier for me if I do it by Saturday. So so that's something that I wanted to do. All assignments. We have 2 quizzes. I tend to like to do my quizzes on my day off. Sometimes I don't get a day off on my weekends, but or throughout the weekdays. But I actually this week have Friday, Saturday off. So I would do my either tonight, because I can sleep in a little bit later tomorrow, or Saturday, because I have the time, my brain might be refreshed, and I will do my quizzes. Okay, what I really like about the calendar, you guys, though, we're going to do it first day of class, remember, every Monday, so was the deadline for everything to be turned in. So that's how I like to see it. I kind of put it right here. The 4th, the 11th, the 18th, the 25th. It's just something for myself to be organized and to make sure that I have everything, that I put everything that's due that day. I think it's easier to see a calendar when you're able to see more organized. It's more convenient for yourself than looking through your phone if you just have a calendar, or use the calendar on your phone as well, because a lot of people hold their phone, but I currently don't. So this calendar will make it easier for me. So a couple of things about the lab preparation as well is that we had to find 3 locations. The locations that I used, first of all, my main location was my room, in my closet. I really liked about the closet was I really don't put too much things in my closet, so the very top of it was nice and clean. And I just cleaned it, wiped it down with some alcohol swipes, and that I have from work sometimes. And what about that part? It's really roomy, and I have enough room to do my videos. So that's something else that I wanted to kind of insist, and I kind of looking forward to doing this. So a lot of the labs, and what I would tell you guys is that from looking at this assignment, is that we have to do more than one, right? So it's kind of good to always give yourself a cushion. I've learned that in the past, that by giving yourself like 3 days in advance, like let's say it's due Monday, I would try to start right away Monday and try to get little bits of pieces of it, like I'm doing right now, my week 2, and try to, because those little pieces eventually will finish and they will all equal, then you'll be done with all your work. Instead of trying to do it at the last minute, which is kind of impossible for this, because you need for the assignment you actually need to edit it and cut it and show them how the microorganism has grown. So that's something else that I like about it. We have to do usually more than one assignment, so we got to be on top of it. I would say give yourself at least 1 to 3 days in advance. So I would at least start by, if like the latest, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. At least you got 5 days or 4.5, the way you think about it. So that's something I would consist of, you guys. I would try to study as much as you can with these materials. What I really like about it is that I've never been in a class where they kind of make you do a calendar, so that's something unique to me in my eyes. I think it's showing that, you know, they care and they want us to do well in class, so that's something that I enjoyed. So here you guys go. If you guys can see, I put like on the 5th that I earned in my lab pack, and then to study, to work, to start as the outline, because remember there's part 2 and part 3, and each part is really important. We have to turn them all in. So I would like to be on top of it as much as I can. I hope you guys like this. This is my lab for preparation video. We had to find 3 sites, and we also had to kind of explain GI flora as well. And that's something I learned in school, in my LVN school, and I really enjoyed it. You know, we still work today how, you know, we give lactobacillus, which produces good flora, like, you know, how you eat in yogurt. So something that I like about that as well, you know, and there's bad flora as well, and it kind of happens also in residents. They kind of receive like C. diff. So when they receive C. diff, it's actually kind of due to it's due to the antibiotics, because antibiotics not just kill bad bacteria, but also kills the good ones. So sometimes when it's too much, you call it C. diff. So that's actually I thought it was really interesting. So something why I enjoyed it. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I wish you guys the best of luck. And this is my lab preparation video. I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.